Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Well, today I wanted to hop on here really quick because I have a super duper exciting offer. Well, it's not my offer, but I wanted to make sure you guys take advantage of this offer. If you go to www.save.ca, sign in. If you're not already registered, register. You can get a box of free Special K protein Kellogg cereal for absolutely free. There is absolutely no cost, no shipping and handling. You just select this coupon right over here and they will mail it straight to your door, and you redeem it at your local grocery, local box store, wherever it is that you shop, for absolutely free. And if there's more than one person in your household, order one for each person. Again, it's absolutely free. Act quickly because these coupons will not last. So get yours. Fingers crossed that you get it. Bye everyone and good luck.